If you love big shipping container home projects, then you'll find this one very interesting. This amazing shipping container house in Michigan is built using shipping containers and a hybrid of conventional materials to create a big shipping container home with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and over 2,200 square feet of habitable space. It has got all the nitty-gritties of an amazing shipping container home project with high ceilings, big outdoor living spaces, and high quality workmanship. This is the front entrance of the house. When you swing open into the living space, you are greeted by a big double volume open plan living space with a big dining area, lounge, kitchen, family space, and beautiful concrete floors. This is a view of the kitchen space. We have an island. We also have big counter space, apartment size stainless steel appliances, and the space is well lit and finished, befitting the quality of such a big container family home. This is a view of the kitchen still, showing this outdoor to the backyard. A closer view of the kitchen space with under the counter storage, overhead storage cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. This is a small breakfast nook, and interesting is these big corner glass windows. This is a closer view of the undermount sink, beautiful faucet. This is a closer view of the dining area. I like this butcher block style over dining table. We have a sitting bench, and from here you are able to appreciate the kitchen space in the background and all these other living spaces around. A closer view of the dining table. The dining table still showing the kitchen in the background and the lounge area. Quite noticeable is the exposed air conditioning ductwork throughout the house, especially for those who appreciate industrial finishes. This is a closer view of the lounge area. I like this fireplace, the exposed air conditioning ductwork, the white painted interior walls. I love the polished concrete floors and the double volume effect, which drenches the indoor living space with maximum daylighting. We have a stacked washer and dryer hidden next to this space. It's a closer view of the lounge area. You'll appreciate the use of deep blue to break the monotony of the predominantly white interiors. A closer view of the kitchen space showing the breakfast nook. I like the big glazing and the maximum daylighting throughout the house. The exposed air conditioning ductwork is also quite predominant. A view of the lounge space. I like the deep blue color. The view of the lounge space still with the dining, the kitchen in the background. This is one of the bathrooms in the house. A view of additional space in the house. More space in the house. I like this wine cellar. Amazing finishes. The view of the same space with the lounge area in the background. Another space in the house. You'll appreciate this. We have a working area, home office kind of setup. The same space from a different angle. I like the natural lighting. It's drenching the space with a lot of daylighting, which makes the space to pop. Same space, reading space, the bookshelf, Quite interesting, the bookshelf swings open to grant access to this amazing space. That's a nice detail, especially if you want to employ space-saving furniture ideas. Feel free to explore this kind of innovative furniture pieces. This is a view of the staircase lobby from the first floor level overlooking the double volume living space. One of the bedrooms upstairs. The view of the same bedroom. You'll appreciate the big glass windows. Another view of the same bedroom. The same bedroom with, I like this piece of corrugated container left exposed to celebrate the industrial charm of building with shipping containers. This is a closet for this master bedroom. It's quite big. A view of the same closet. There's another bedroom in the house. There's a small workstation. A view of the same bedroom, additional storage space. A view of the same bedroom. I like the use of deep, bold colors to create a feature wall to break the monotony of the white predominant interior spaces. A view of another bathroom. Nice, flowery shower curtain. Wow, this is an outdoor deck on the first floor level of the house, stretching the entire length of the house, occupying a full shipping container. A view of the same deck space, quite interesting. This is a view of the rear deck on the ground floor level, accessed directly from the living space. A nice view of the backyard. This is a view of the rear elevation, showing the backyard space and this subsidiary door there. I like the use of lean-to roofs, which gives a nice architectural detail to this shipping container home. This is another view of the rear of the house with this additional structure, some raised flower garden. That's it. So what do you like about this amazing shipping container project? Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. How much would you pay for this kind of shipping container house? Share also your perspective in the comment section, and if possible, give us the reasons why you would price it at your suggested price. I love the innovative use of shipping containers integrated with conventional building materials to create these amazing shipping container home. If you love this kind of projects, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.